Hey everybody, today is July 30th, 2014. It's me, Digitronic, and I'm back with another iPad app review video. This week's app is perfect for both teachers and students that have to deal with math from grade 5 to grade 12. The application is called Math42. Right there is the icon, and I'm just gonna straight on get into it. So let me just delete that. First thing you get when you open up the app is this interface. A fully functional math related keyboard down here, as you can see, and a canvas up here with a whole bunch of options up there. This is more for solving formulas. It shows you how to step by step solve the formulas, do things like graphing, solve for the x, all that good math related stuff. Let me just give you a few examples here. Sine, cosine, tan, all the alphabets you might use, including the x and the y and the z that you have to solve for in certain equations, log, and I forgot what the ln stands for. My math is really bad, by the way, so this would be a perfect application for someone like me. Let's say you want to solve for x, and I'm just going to make up an equation here. 48x plus 4 equals 6. Now that's the equation that I just typed right up there. 48x plus 4 equals 6. I have a few options. New line, so we'll go to a new line in the equation. Simplify expression, factor expression, solve equation for x, or separate variable terms. Well, I just want to straight out solve equation for x in this example. So let's hit that. And so it solves the equation for you, but it also gives you the step-by-step ways of how it's done solving the equation. So let's see, separate the variable terms. If you hit on that arrowhead, it shows you how it did that. Solve the work, simplify expression. You hit that down. You want to know how it normalizes the polynomial. You hit that down. It says simplify expression here. You want to know how it did that. You hit that down. Reduce the fractions. Like step by step, everything is shown here. And it tells you at the end that the x equals to 1 over 24. Shows you all the single steps that you need to know. And the calculation time, 0.87 seconds. So up here now you have a few options. Let's say this equation, 48x plus 4 equals 6, you want to graph that. I don't even know if that's possible. Oh, there you go. It just graphed it for you. See the orange line right there? That is your graph. You can even tap that. It's interactive. And if you tap it, it will give you the information of that point. X equals to 0.04, Y equals to 6. Right there. So we hit done. We come back to the equation again. There's a few options here. If you tap that part on top, it gives you the current equation you have. You can add new ones by entering something again. Let's go back to this one. Alright, so let's go back here. Here you have a few more options. You can share, of course. Messages, mail, Twitter, Facebook, print, copy, all that usual stuff. If you hit that icon, that's the settings, preferences for decimal places, language, feedback, privacy, rating the application in the App Store. There's a question mark icon here that just helps you with the application. Create new problem again, or use last result if you tap the plus icon up there. Alright, so this is all awesome. Let's try another one. Actually, let's try something else. If you go back up top here and tap that graduation hat icon, it gives you a test to do. So negative 6b plus 10 plus 5b plus 1. Negative 6b plus 5b, that's negative 1b. And then 10 plus 1 is 11. So this has to be... Oh, I have already answered this. I've already done this test for... So, next exercise, okay. A times 6 times 7a. That would be a squared... Oh, sorry, no. 7a squared, and then 6 times 7 is 50. 6 times... Oh my god, my math is bad. 56, I think. Oh, got that wrong. 42. Next exercise. Negative 8 times 5. Well, that's easy. Negative 40. Okay. Next exercise. 8 plus 2a minus 4a plus 3. So, 2a minus 4a, that's negative 2a. And 8 plus 3 is 11. So that would be negative 2a plus 11. Next exercise. Negative 4 times, in parentheses, 9d minus 3 minus 1. You do inside the parentheses first. You can't really do anything with that because there is a number and there's a letter in there. So you have to just multiply straight out. That... No, this has to be the answer. Negative 36d plus 11. I think you get the point. I don't want to do the whole test here, so let's click that. Done. Let's actually go and try maybe another problem here. New problem. So, let's see. This time just a simple graph again. For x squared. No, okay, squared plus 5. And let's do the graph by tapping the graph icon up here in orange. And right there is the graph that I just drew. A very interactive application, and like I said, it gives you the points if you tap on it. And I believe, yeah, it just works with the orange points. Gives you x0, y equals to 5. And there is the graph right there. Now if you tap on that icon, brings it closer so you can see it. Okay, let's do the cosine and sine thing really quickly. Okay. And let's see. For cosine. Oops. Did that twice. And now it won't delete. Okay. For cosine 36. 36, you're getting the answer there already. Plus 10 equals, I don't know, 78. Now, you have that. You just, out of all these, I just want to calculate. So there's the answer right there. And let's say I want to solve the equation for x. And there's the answer. The equation has no solution. I guess I came up with a very weird equation. But you see how great this app is. Again, the app is called Math42. And there's the icon. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/dgtronic. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/dgtronic. Leave me comments, give me suggestions. If you are an app developer for iOS or Android, drop me a line, jobs.videoman@gmail.com, or contact me through my YouTube channel and give me the promo code for your application. I will download the app and do the review video on it. Also, if you are a gadget maker or an accessory maker and you would like your gadget or accessory to be reviewed professionally with high quality video that you can freely use on your website, your weblog, whatever, and same goes for your apps, contact me again through jobs.videoman@gmail.com or through my YouTube channel. We'll discuss how you can send me a review unit for me to do the video on. I'll see you in the next video.